What's the meaning of Clement Attlee? Clement Attlee. Clement Attlee.
Clement Attlee. Clement Attlee. Clement Attlee was a British politician who served as the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom from 1945 to 1951. He led the Labour Party to a landslide victory in the 1945 general election, which resulted in significant social reforms such as the establishment of the National Health Service and the nationalisation of key industries. Attlee's government also oversaw the granting of independence to India and Pakistan. He is widely regarded as one of the most successful British Prime Ministers of the 20th century and a key figure in the history of the Labour Party.